alaikum, dear students. Welcome to Inglimia.com. Today we are going to talk on the first part of speech, that is noun. In our previous video, we discussed the definition of noun. In this video, we'll see various types of nouns one by one. Concrete noun. Concrete noun, that is physical. Name of the noun shows it is something physical. So we see the definition. A noun that can be identified by any of our five senses. Means the noun which you could identify, which you could recognize through your five senses, any of your five senses. कोई भी आपकी five senses में से कोई sense यूज़ हो रही है, उसको समझने के लिए, उसकी शनाख्त के लिए, उसको हम कंक्रीट नाउन कहेंगे. और ये फाइव सेंसेस क्या हैं? See, hear, touch, smell, taste. The examples are chair, castle, kettle, hair, any word, any noun जो कि आपकी इन पांचों सेंसेस में से किसी सेंस को अपील करे. Let's talk on the other one. Abstract noun. As the name shows, that is non-physical. जिसका फिजिकली कोई वजूद ना हो, कोई भी आपकी फाइव सेंस उसमें इस्तेमाल ना हो उसको आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. A noun that cannot be, that can't be identified by any of our five senses. For example, happiness, love, hate, embarrassment, care, anger, and so on. So the difference between concrete and abstract noun is very clear from their definition. Let's see what are the other types of noun. Countable and uncountable noun, common and proper noun, collective noun, and compound noun. Now see their definition. Countable noun, as the name shows, the nouns that can be counted. For example, a pen, a mobile, 3, 4, 5 person, persons, place, and places. Uncountable noun, the nouns which cannot be counted and need some measure words to quantify. कुछ ऐसे पैमाइशी लफ्ज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़े ताकि उनको क्वांटिफाई किया जा सके, जैसा कि वर्क, लव, एंगर, हेयर एंड सो ऑन. और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन हमेशा सिंगुलर फॉर्म में ही होता है, ज़्यादा के लिए भी लफ्ज़ एक ही इस्तेमाल होगा. What is the next? Common noun. Noun which refer to things, places, or people generally or in general. For example, pencils, chairs, pots, students, teachers, and so on. Now, what do you mean by proper noun? Nouns which refer specific names of people, places, or buildings. Khas naam. For example, Inglimia, English, is a particular language. और भी बहुत सी ज़बान है. इंग्लिश एक अलग ज़बान है, उर्दू एक अलग ज़बान है. एंड जहांगीर्स टूम, टूम इज़ देयर, लेकिन किसका है? जहांगीर्स टूम. सो हियर लाइज द डिफरेंस. द नेक्स्ट वन इज collective noun. Noun that refers to a group of individuals. For example, herd of cattle, hair, family, class. एक ग्रुप को शो करे, एक ऐसा नाउन जो एक ग्रुप को शो करे इंडिविजुअल्स के, उसको हम कलेक्टिव नाउन कहते हैं. Now, what do we mean by compound noun? A combination of two or more words. For example, bed, room. swing, machine, side, table. It could be the combination of noun plus noun, for example, basket and ball. It could be an adjective and noun, for example, hard and where. So this is called compound noun. I hope you guys have understood what do we mean by noun and what are the various types of noun, and you would definitely practice them in order to master your language. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.